Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib Chavan, PhD scholar from Division of Vegetable Science, IIR New Delhi. Today I am going to talk with you regarding the preparation of GRF and SRF exam, how to prepare to crack this exam, and along with the list of books and syllabus I will also tell you the most important thing which not generally not told by other. My friends, I will also share my personal experience how I have prepared for this exam during my time. My friends, we know due to COVID, we are unable, the situations are not good, and due to that we are lacking, we are unable to focus on our studies. But my friends, we have to determine, we have to devote our time for our dreams. We have to be focused on our studies. We can utilize this valuable time for our studies. So my friend, without wasting much time, let's start this lecture. In this lecture, along with the syllabus and list of books, I will also focus on the most important thing which is essential to top in the exam. My friends, we know that nowadays many people, means all people are having list of books and the syllabus which required to prepare for this exam, but then also they are unable to uh, uh, get the expected result which is required. My friends, we know that to do any work and to succeed in that work, we need many things. But among them, the most important thing is hard work. Second is your own will, that is your interest to do that work. And the third most important thing is consistency. My friends, I will tell you that before starting the preparation of any exam, you should ask a question to yourself that it is your own decision to prepare for the exam, or you are just preparing it because other are preparing or your friends are told you to prepare. My friends, the decision is should be your own. Listen to your inner voice, and once you have decided to prepare for the exam, you have to be focused, you have to be devote your most of the time for the preparation of exam. You have to be determined, you have to be devoted for your goal. And my friends, consistency is most important, because generally we start any work, we just start it but we are unable to complete it because we are lack of consistency. Because in doing any work, the most difficult thing is that keep doing that work only, that is consistency. Along with this, expect more from yourself, dream big, keep faith on yourself. You should keep the aim to get you the all India rank under 5. Because if you keep your aim high, based on that, based on that mindset you will prepare for the exam. If you are just keeping a aim to get just a fellowship, then you will get nothing, my friends. Because based on our aim, we put our efforts. And the most important thing is self confidence, not overconfident. My friends, to achieve any goal, you have to be confident. During my time also, I have strong belief that one day I will take admission in Delhi. I don't just have a belief, I have put my maximum effort. I work to keep that belief strong. My friends, many people, you will see many people will discourage you, but uh, keep belief on yourself, be confident. If you want to succeed in GRF or SRF exam, your effort should be more than your all competitor all over the India. Leave other things behind for your dream. Leave the thing which distract you from the studies, because without if you are wasting your time, you will not get anything. These are moral things which are very important to do anything in life. Now, friends, we will discuss about selection of books, planning, and time management.
Selection of books, planning, and time management. Along with dedication and hard work, planning and time management plays a key role in your success. Prepare your rough plan from starting day of preparation to the month of exam. In planning, which you have to decide which book you will read, how many times you have to revise a particular book, and whether you want to prepare notes or not, and what you will read at the last month, which is a most crucial and important time. Set your monthly and daily goal. Select the books which cover maximum syllabus of this exam. It's better to read and revise the selected books instead of reading all books available in market, because revision is very important. Your preparation should be exam oriented, mainly focus on the portion of syllabus from which every year most of the question asked in the exam. After first reading of some basic books like Basic Horticulture and Handbook of Horticulture, you just revise or overlook the previous year questions so that you will get the basic idea of the question, and after that you will read the rest of books accordingly. Mainly focus on theoretical books. Don't read the objective books during initial and middle month of your preparation. Read objective books only during last 2 to 3 months, and only for 2 to 3 hours every day after dinner when your mind is less attentive. Here is the list of all important books required for the preparation of JRF in horticulture. I have written these books in sequence only. You have to read likewise only from basic horticulture to fruit science and vegetable floriculture likewise, and you can change it based on your compatibility, or based on your compatibility, uh, but I will suggest you, when you are reading horticulture book, to continue with horticulture book only, or if you are reading fruit science book, then continue different in sequence different fruit science books, so you can compare the different content of different books, and it is good for memorizing also. I have given the star marks based on their importance and the number of revision you want to do. Uh, and during my time, I have prepared one strategy. I have written it here. Means based on my reading ability and speed, and based on the thickness and number of pages in book, I have set the target to complete a book in particular day. Like for basic horticulture, I have set the target to complete my book, this book, in 15 days. So that to set the daily target of reading, so that I can complete this book within targeted time. I have divided number of pages with the number of days I have to complete in this book, so that by this I have to read daily 24 pages to complete basic horticulture book in 15 days. And this number of pages are not exact. I am just giving you example. Likewise, I have read in case of other books also. According to this, it will take nearly 150 days to complete all this book for single reading, and for second reading it will take less time, because in second reading your speed and ability is increased. So for second reading of this 11 to 12 books, it will take nearly 130 to 135 days. Means to revise this book twice, you require 8 to 9 to 10 months nearly. After then also you are left with 2 and 2.5 months. That time you have to, that time is very crucial. You have to utilize to that time for reading most important books and most important thing. The Based on my experience, the most important books which are important for the JRF horticulture preparation is Clusters Horticulture and Instant Horticulture. These two books you should be mug up, you should be memorized so strongly. You should know the every content of this book, on which page which line is there. So no one can stop you to top in this exam. And I will also suggest you to read additionally these two books daily for 2 hours, to increase the number of reading of this book. And I will also suggest you to read General Agriculture Nimra Sunda book daily 1 hour, so you can, when you read small content, so it is easy and to you to memorize. And remaining objective books you have to read during last 2 to 3 months, only for 2 hours daily after dinner. And one note is for you: always keep the watch on your table and don't use mobile while reading. And the benefit of keeping watch is that when you read 2 to 3 hour, after that you have to analyze yourself what you have read, it is effective or not. So you can increase your efficiency. Then I will suggest you, if you want to prepare notes, you can prepare. But if you don't want to prepare notes, so I will suggest you when you are reading other books, you just write the additional point which are not there in cluster horticulture or instant horticulture in the available spaces of the book. So it will act as a notes plus a good book. So you no need to prepare the notes. After that, these are some or other books. These are also good books. If you have time, you can read these books. These are also good books. But for the JRF preparation, these books are enough. This list of these books are enough. No need to additional book. If you have time, you can read these books. And for spices, medicinal and aromatic plants, the portion or the content given in Justice Horticulture and Handbook of Horticulture are enough. There is no need to refer additional any notes or book. Along with this, the every year 2 to 3 questions are last asked from the general agriculture part, or the questions like they ask the World Soil Day or International Pulse Day, International Fruit or Horticulture Day. Likewise, so you have to prepare for this also. And every year 2 to 3 questions are in this exam asked for new variety. For that, you have to visit the IARI, IIHR, and IIVR and other institute website to see this. Now, most important thing is mock test. Mock test improve your performance. It improve your confidence. It reduce your mistakes, so you can feel confident on exam day. So therefore, mock test is very important. You can there are many platforms where you can do mock test, and you have to do mock test during end month, so your practice is effective. Now the exam pattern and strategy on exam first exam day. In exam pattern, we are talking about JRF and SRF. For JRF and SRF, the total marks are 480, and number of question are 120, and time is 2 hours. For each question, 4 marks are there. But in case of SRF, the paper pattern is slightly different. In it, SRF exam having SRF exam is having 3 parts. One part is having 20 question of general agriculture and aptitudes, and one part is having 50 question from horticulture stream, except your specialized field, and one part is having 50 question of your specialized field like vegetable science or fruit science or floriculture. Now, most important thing is strategy for exam day. Means how much questions you have to attempt, and how you will decide the which type of question they ask. So that strategy is very important, because if you have read whole year, you did put maximum efforts, but you didn't perform well in exam day, then your whole reading, your whole work is goes waste. So therefore, exams strategy on for exam day is very important. This example of JRF 2017, the topper is having nearly 570 marks out of 650. Mine marks was 545 out of 650, and the rank of mine is ninth. All India rank is ninth, and in OBC I was my rank was fifth. Uh, this exam pattern was slightly different from the now what it is there, but based on this we can prepare. I'm just giving you example. Based on this also you can prepare your strategy. So based on this information, you need only nearly 135 correct question. Only correct question I'm telling, out of 160 to top in the exam. And if you have to set the strategy for every exam. If according to this, if this exam was easy, then you have to attempt nearly 155 questions out of 160. If this exam was 140 moderate type, you have to attempt 145 to 150 questions. In case of hard question papers, the question paper one you need to attempt nearly 135 out of 160. Is this easy, moderate, or hard exam is it is based on your studies. If your studies are very well, very good, then even hard question paper seems you easy. If your preparation is not good, then even easy question paper you will feel hard. So it is just an example. You have to decide this on the exam day. So you should set your mind, and it is based on your studies. Therefore, studies are very important. And this example is of last year SRF. The topper is having 328 marks out of 480, and these are the mark of letter rank holder. The for Based on this data, you need to you need to do exact nearby 82 correct questions. Means I am talking about correct question, not attempt to top in his exam. Based on this, if in this case, if this exam was easy, you need to attempt 100 to 105 questions. If it was moderate, then you need to attempt 90 to 95 questions. If in case of hard question paper, 80 to 85 out of 120 questions. uh, these are, I am telling this based on your studies only. It is depend on your studies what type of question paper is there. I asked my one junior who has top in this SRF 2020 in fruit science. He told that the question paper is moderate hard type. So you have to go with this. Means it is not a fixed principle. It depends on your studies and your compatibility. But you have to set particular strategy so you can perform well. These are all planning and preparation for this exam. You can follow this according to your ability, or means you can follow it or you can modify it according to your ability and compatibility. But the final thing which decide your selection is your dedication, hard work, consistency, and your confidence on yourself. There is no need of any coaching, no need to come IRA to see campus and to inspire from IRA student. IRA should be in your heart and mind. As APJ Abdul Kalam sir said that dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is that not allow you to sleep. And these are the list of books for SRF for vegetable science preparation. These books are for these are all important books. These books are for vegetable part only. For horticulture part, you can refer the books which I have listed in previous slide. Along with this, the most important thing is take care of your health during preparation. Sleep well, eat well, do yoga or exercise at least half an hour every day. It is very important because health is wealth. And thank you.